Greetings, my friends. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com coming at ya with 4 pounds of crystal blue Persuasion. Now I know what you're thinking. You're saying, Michael, that's just a blue rock. Well, friends, so is the Earth. And the Earth, much like this gorgeous high-quality Sodalite specimen, has so much ethereal beauty to explore. What is Sodalite good for? Friends, what isn't Sodalite good for God's sakes? The artist's stone, the poet's stone, stone of intuition, stone of logical thought, helps you take those emotions that hold you back, keep you from actualizing your potential, and use them to your advantage. Incredibly useful tool with so much beauty to explore. So enough of me flapping my gums, friends. Let's explore every nook and cranny of this amazing gift from Mother Nature, and let's go deep diving in the blue healing waters of Sodalite. This magnificent piece could be yours, ladies and gentlemen, at CosmicCuts.com, a cut above the rest. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice, deep, dark, rich blue coloration, which is what you want to see in the Sodalite. Yes, indeed, friends, the harmonizer stone. Absolutely incredible. Helps you unleash the artist within, friends, and relinquish fears, stress, and anxiety that holds you back. It's also great for those pesky EMFs that we're plagued with in the computer age we're living in. It helps cancel out those electromagnetic frequencies like only Mother Nature can, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely incredible. A deep, dark, beautiful blue coloration with all this incredible white veining. Some wispy, ethereal waves of the glorious healing light from Mother Nature. Absolutely incredible. Yes, indeed, friends, Sodalite's going to strengthen you from the inside out. And it's also great for PMS and menopause and soothing those negative symptoms. Amazing stuff. Yes, indeed, friends, crystal blue Persuasion could be yours at CosmicCuts.com.